on, Kid family? We're just gonna do a quick recap of the stock markets today, show you how much I was able to make over the last week and a half that I was trading on Webull brokerage. And you know what? So far, I think we're doing pretty good. So stay tuned to watch the whole video to see how I executed my best and worst trade of the week. The markets are doing pretty good since March 23rd. The market has been going for the most part straight up, and there's a lot of profits to be made. And I'm gonna just show you guys the market. I'm a visual again, I like to see charts. So again, this is the stock market from the highs right here, crashed all the way down to the bottom and retraced just about 50% of this move. So this is a very big pivot point. And you know, if it keeps going up at this point, I think we're going to be range bound right around these areas right here, in my opinion, until eventually we end up breaking this range towards the downside and filling these gaps in the market that I have checked with this blue line right here. There's three big gaps, and again, one of the biggest gaps is right towards the bottom, which if that happens, it'll put us near the lows of 2020. And you know, at that point, what happens next? Is it going to be a double bottom? Are we going to move up and be able to profit some more? We don't know. If you are in a long position, meaning you want to make money as the market goes up, I'd be wary right now. I'd be trying to take in some profits. Some stocks are moving with the market. Some are outperforming the market, like Amazon is just reaching new all-time highs. A lot of tech companies are reaching all-time highs. Other companies such as airline, cruise lines, banks right now are approaching the 2020 lows, 52-week lows. So it's very sketchy, man. The market flip-flops every day, and if you're trading and if you're not paying attention, you're gonna get wiped out. So let me show you guys my Webull account. And if you guys aren't familiar with Webull, it's a brokerage account, free trading, no commissions, very easy to use. I actually have Robinhood and Webull, and I'm telling you, Webull is awesome. I love trading on it. Very simple platform. So right here, you guys are gonna see my account on Webull. Year to date, I have made just about $2,300, and I pretty much, when did I open this account? I don't know, maybe like 2.5 weeks ago or something like that. So not bad on the trading side. This past week, we made $1,200, just about, and we're gonna go over some of the trades for this week. We're going to show you the best trade of the week, which was on the money, and then one of the worst trades, which I felt like I got raped. So the market's swinging up and down, and I'm actually taking advantage of the down moves as well as the up moves. When the market's going down, I'm shorting the market, buying ETFs such as TVIX and UVXY. Those stocks, ETFs, move opposite of the market, so when I suspect the market's going to crash, I try to get into those and make some profit. And again, they say you can't make money when the market's going down. My biggest winner in my account is from shorting the market. So when the market was going down, I made my biggest profit to date. So $760 just about on TVIX. We made a trade on JNUG, which is ETF that trades with gold. If gold goes up, this goes up. We profited $611 on the account. These are all total account profits. You guys remember when I was counting those airplanes, right? You guys remember when I did Day in the Life of Bully Kid? We were outside, we were counting airplanes, we told you. And as you guys just heard, there was an airplane in the sky, so I'm thankful for that. And I actually just sit here and count airplanes, believe it or not. I think there's another one. That's good news. I told you I was getting into airplane stocks, American Airlines, Southwest Airlines. Well, look at that. $450 on Southwest Airlines. $402 on American Airlines. So that's what, $850. Right now with $850, I could probably fly around the whole world with the prices right now. Again, UVXY was a short position on the market. This one, I was lucky to get out. I did like 2 trades on it. Not the best. I'm glad I got out with some profit right here. J Dust, this is the opposite of gold. Right now gold is falling down. I took a position. These are kind of swing trade positions I'm accumulating as the prices are going down. Hopefully when they go up, we can make some profits. So this one, I still have an open position. Today we got into some biotechs, and I hate biotech stocks, but there was some news on the economy reopening. Our president said he's going to let the governors decide which states go back into business, start opening, and just get the economy rolling again. There was also news on some pharmaceutical companies creating a vaccine. So today, I hate biotech stocks, but I checked out two stocks. One was GILD and the other one was mRNA. Both of them have some kind of affiliation with a vaccine, and the government's trying to fund some money towards mRNA. And you know what? We got out with what? $38. Not the best day trades, but we still came out on top. mRNA, we were just really trying to manage risk, and we got out with a slight profit. The other two, these are free stocks right now. So again, if you sign up for Webull, you get 2 free stocks. So I got my free stocks hanging in there. I'm going to keep all the free stocks. I don't want to put too much attention on them right now because it's only one share anyway. And I'm sure if I hold it for a year or two, these stocks are going to be worth a lot more than they are now. And I have a position in oil right now, USO. We are currently down on the trade. I've been accumulating on the way down. Oil is taking a major hit because no one is driving. There's an oversupply of oil in the industry, and it's just heading down towards like all-time lows. So, we're going to be aggressive in the short term here, trying to pick up some cheap shares, and hopefully when that tide turns, we can cash in the profits for the following weeks. Anyway, guys, I'm going to tell you and show you visually the best trade and the worst trade. So again, here is the best trade that I had so far. So on this trade right here, let me see what we got going on. Right here. So on this trade, this is the short position. So this stock right here gapped down from the previous day. And we bought some towards this green line here. We've been accumulating on the low here. We've been accumulating some more positions and shares right here. Very risky, but if you're really trading professionally, you would have a stop under the lows right here. So you're really not risking much compared to the potential. Luckily, we accumulated at the right location. The next day, the market went down, and therefore this stock went up, and we just started selling all our shares in the zone. We don't sell them all at once. We kind of scale out of our positions, just like we scale in our positions. You don't want to put a full position, let's say $5,000 to $10,000 all at once, because if you're wrong, you can take a bigger hit. So if you scale in, I think you're going to be better off long term. So again, this trade, which yielded just an overnight position, $760. We probably could have capitalized more. I sold bulk of my position towards the early morning instead of the afternoon. But again, you guys can't predict it. And look what happened. It gapped down, and then it filled this gap right here. Filled that gap towards the end of the day. So that was the best trade. The worst trade is right here. This one we traded today, which was again the biotech stock. This was Guild. Guild gapped up from this gap from the previous day. So we were way 10% up already on the day. Everybody took profit in the morning, and then we entered a little channel here. So I bought the shares right over here once we peaked over the previous price here, and I just got whiplashed back to the bottom of the channel right here. And I don't know if you guys can see the channel that I'm talking about, but I'm just gonna kind of draw it out for you guys so it makes more sense. See, the price is just bouncing right around this level, up, down, up, down. So I bought it at the break of this level going up, thinking we're going to maybe make a move up, and we got rejected and moved down. Now, people who were selling this stock, shorting it right here, now they got trapped, and the market moved back up. Then buyers probably bought again over here, which I was planning on buying some more shares here. And then these buyers got completely humiliated, and it went back to the bottom of the channel. And this is where it got scary, guys. This is when it cracked down and made a new low, and somehow, I think it was because it was towards the end of the day and shorts didn't want to hold their positions. The buyers took control. We got into the channel, we popped right through the channel, and I sold it towards the end of the day before 3 o'clock. I wanted to cash out of this position because we don't really know what the next day is going to hold. So it was a terrible trade, judging it by the chart and the price action. We still were able to manage, you know, a little profit on this trade. And this one we managed $35, which is nothing. I'm just glad I got out of it because I'm telling you, I was tossed around in this trade. Everything I did was wrong. The price action wasn't matching up to my predictions. So you don't have to be right, guys. You don't have to be right as long as you're in the game. You got to be in the game to make some profit. So again, guys, we're over $2,000 in profit over the last couple of weeks. We really have 2 positions that are currently on the table, which I'm pretty sure I'll be profitable with those positions by next week. We have a lot of opportunity next week. Again, we're expecting the market to go down. If you guys are interested in seeing more videos like this, please leave a like button down below. Please comment something. Make sure you use the affiliate link down below to sign up to Webull. You guys give 2 free stocks. I'll get probably a free stock or 2 free stocks as well. That's how the game works. And if you guys are interested, I'll be making more videos like this so you guys can jump along with me, do what I do, and we can both make some money during this quarantine season. We are not working right now. We are mainly trading as a source of income and YouTube as a source of income. Hey, check this out, by the way. I filed for unemployment a couple weeks ago. We got our KeyBank card, so I checked the balance on it. There's no money in there. Why are they sending me a card with no balance? Anyway, I hope the IRS doesn't count this as a source of income during my unemployment claim, because then I won't get my unemployment money. So if you guys know more about that, am I screwing myself up by trading right now when I should be really sitting and doing some drugs? Let me know. Comment below. I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.
I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty cold. You might need a sweater too. I'ma put a ride on ya. Kid from California, trying to make it in life. In school they never taught ya. Dreams of my own.